Hello folks, this is Augustus and Daddy. Our 19th video. As you can see, we are going to change the dials and we are adjusting right now. And we will show you more around the spaces.
What are we looking at today?
And it's a pine.
A pine leaf? Very cool. Can you zoom in one for me, Augustus?
Yes, and we are going to change dials and get a better view. Whoops. And would you like to see this program?
Look at all the colors.
Oh.
What colors do you see?
I see brown dots, I see green dots, I see a few blue dots and stuff. And look at those holes.
Do you remember what word we used earlier? Symmetry. What does symmetry mean?
I don't know.
You don't remember what symmetry means? Thought we had that whole discussion. Look at that, buddy. Look at all those honeycombs and
those
circles.
are not honeycombs.
There's some honeycombs up in there.
Oh!
There you go. And some dots and colors. Can you zoom in one more time, Augustus?
Yes, and we are moving onto the 100% dial. And we can still see, and it's the longest dial we have.
Look at all those shapes.
Yeah. And if you want to see this program in person, come to our house, and our phone and our address is...
Hold on, buddy. We're not going to give our address to strangers. Strangers, Facebook can have friends and strangers. Stranger danger, stranger danger.
And look out for more Augustus and Daddy videos. And sorry we are doing this rarely, not like last time, but we will try to keep up with the pace.
Alright, kiss smack. I love you,
See you
buddy.
tomorrow, or maybe a few weeks ago. Bye, and I hope you're listening for more Augustus videos and Daddy. Bye!